Hello friends, welcome to Azure Databricks session. I'm creating series of videos to build the Lakehouse data platform. For today's topic, we are going to focus on CSV data which is uploaded by the user into landing bucket. From there, we will take it and then we will start ingesting this data into our medallion architecture. With this, let us move on to the session. We ingested data here. These are all the columns we received from the file copied into landing bucket. But when we do process, right, we need some more additional column also to track what is the file name we received it. Okay, when we received it. For that, I'm going to introduce two more new column into the table. Okay, for that, with column, already we know how to add the column, right? And then first column going to be the file name. For the file name, input file name is the function available to capture the received files. And then another column going to be when we receive the file. With column, it's not going to be the load date. I'm not going to use it as a load date. I'm going to use it as a file received on. File received on. It is going to be the current timestamp. Okay, these are all the two new column I added in the data frame. While writing it, those two new column going to add it. I'm not doing any changes in the write. I did the changes only in the read. Already we know we have this data in the table with the column of CSV file. There is no process date and the file name and all, right. Let me execute it. This will wait for new file, right? Let me copy the new file. I uploaded new file here. Now we received two more new column while writing it. Already we wrote few file in the data lake without these two new column. For that we need to tell to the system that if there are any new additional column coming in future, do merge those schema also. For that, I'm going to tell option merge schema. Merge schema is going to be true. This file is not yet processed for now, right? Let me execute this one. Let us go back to the catalog. See, this time it added two more new column into the table, file name and received on. Let me go to the sample data. It added two more new column and captured the data also. Okay, this is how you can add the new column. Okay, also here the autoloader keep on running it, right? Once the data is loaded, we need to stop it. There are multiple ways. One is the manual stop that we know. We are going to interrupt the autoloader. We have another option is trigger option. Dot trigger. We have once also, we have available now also, right? What this option will do, whenever we execute this autoloader, right, what are all the files are available, it will start process the file and then it will end the autoloader. So let us check this one also. Earlier the autoloader was keep on running it, right? Let us check this now how it is working. Let me copy another file. I'm uploading the file now. This time the file name going to be new file 2, file uploaded. Let me come to the autoloader. This time autoloader trigger option is available now. As I said earlier, it will trigger once and then stop the process. It won't continuously run the autoloader. Okay, it processed the file and then stop the autoloader. Let me go to the table. See, I received a few more record from the file name new file 2 and then autoloader also stopped automatically. This is how you can change the trigger options. Next step is we need to ingest this record from external table to bronze table. Already written a insert statement. The insert part alone I commented out. I'm going to restrict what record I'm going to insert it. Received on today's date alone. Okay. Greater than or equal to today's date. Okay, these are all the record we are going to insert into the table. Okay, let me uncomment it. Okay, 8 record we inserted. Okay, if you run the same statement, what will happen again? Let us verify. It will insert again 8 record. Now this bronze table contain how many record? Total 16 record. Okay, it will insert a duplicate record also, right? Total 16 records are there because we restricted only the received on, but we haven't restricted the file already we inserted into the bronze table. For that we need to check the file which is already available in the bronze table or not. If not, then we need to insert it. If it is available, don't insert it. Okay, that condition we need to add it. Okay, we are checking the where class right here. Similarly, we need to unt file name not in. Select file name from this table, right? Bronze table. Okay, when I run this one, it won't ingest another set of record into the table because these files are already ingested. This bronze table contains those files. Okay, so this is how we can avoid the duplicate file ingestion into one table to another table. If I run multiple time also, it won't ingest any of the record. Parallel, I will keep these two notebook and then we will try ingesting new file. Let me copy another file to the landing bucket. I am uploading a new file. I am running the step 1. It will run only one time because I added the trigger available now only. New file ingested already into the ext table. Let me trigger the step 2. Only 4 record ingested. Let us verify how many records are there in the ext table with the new file. The file name 3 alone we copied, right? Oh, only 4 records are there in the file 3. Okay, if I run the step 2 again, it won't ingest again. Okay, in the next session we will see how to ingest the data from bronze into silver table with smaller modification. It's a transformation we are going to do while ingesting data. Okay, we will do those in the next session. Thank you.